If you want to change background in messages on Samsung Galaxy A57, then unfortunately it is not possible to do so with Google Messages. What you can do is you can use a different messaging app instead, like for example the Samsung Messages app, and then in that app we can actually change the background. In order to get Samsung Messages app, you want to go to the Galaxy Store over here. There we go. Now we're gonna use the search option and we can simply search for Samsung Messages. There we go. This is of course the app that we are looking for. You will need to install it, and once it is installed you want to open it. We need to press on OK. We need to set it as the default messaging app, of course, so we want to select it here on this list and then tap set as default. Now in here we should be able to go to the conversation for which we want to change the background. We can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then we have customize chat room. Now in here we can just simply apply a color, just like that, or you can tap on this flower icon in order to open the gallery, and then you're gonna choose a photo from your gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We can still adjust the image. We can zoom in and zoom out and so on and so forth. We can adjust the cropped area. There we go, and we're gonna tap on done. There we go, we have additional customization options in here, like the bubble opacity and the text contrast in here. And of course, once we are done, we should be able to just simply exit the settings, or you can even apply to all chat rooms the same customization. And there we go, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.